Hi, I'm Luke, and welcome to Discover and Do. This year, we'll learn about light and shadows, water and oil, smells, sound, and adaptations. You know what causes rainbows, right? Don't worry, we'll discuss and demonstrate how light bends, what scientists call refraction, how that is different from dispersion, or light spreading out, why that happens, and how that makes bands of color. And we'll do that kind of thing for all 36 lessons. We'll walk through every experiment, cover all the important concepts, as well as some I just think are fun, and leave you plenty to discover and do on your own. Here in first grade, we'll dig into questions about birds, barnacles, light and lasers, polarity, radiation, DNA, lift, the moon, Mars, kites, cars, and so much more. If you joined us last year, you'll see some familiar feathers and meet new friends. If you are new around here, welcome. You're in for some fun scientific exploration that we created with kids in mind. Our videos are carefully crafted to help children concentrate both while we're watching and then as we go into the wider world. This is guilt-free screen time as we explore this amazing world together.